So this is the scheduling job. Okay, so now we will discuss how to get the DB credentials and scheduling details from common API in scheduler. Okay, in scheduler. So first see these steps. First of all, in DB connection, make DB connection parameters dynamic. That means fetch the DB parameters from common API. Okay, same approach. And sorry, this one is not required. And write a function to call the common API for connection parameters and scheduler details. Okay, so now this is the scheduling job. Here this means for every second whatever we have implemented some logic, that logic will be executed. Okay, so here what we have done is, in MySQL we have one table that is job emp, job underscore emp. Okay, in this, whenever we insert some employee number, employee name, sal, MongoDB status is 1. Okay, so scheduler will take that employee details from MySQL and it will move that employee details to MongoDB job employee. So where it is? Okay, so in MongoDB you can find here job underscore emp collection is there. So in that collection, all the details which are coming from MySQL will be inserted into MongoDB collection. Okay, so once these collections are inserted into MongoDB, then that particular record MongoDB status is updated with 2. Earlier default value is 1. Once these records are moved to MongoDB, this MongoDB status becomes 2. Okay, so for this we will have one get procedure, get underscore job emp. It will fetch whatever the records are having MongoDB status equal to 1. Okay, and see, so it will fetch that records and then all the records will be moved to MongoDB. Once that all the records will be moved to MongoDB, and again we will call one procedure update underscore job emp. Okay, this procedure will update the recent inserted records into MongoDB. That record state MongoDB status will be updated with 2. There it is. Yeah, so whatever the records are moved to MongoDB, that record MongoDB status will be make it as 2. Okay, that is our goal. So here, first of all, I want to put this details in common API, where it is here and here. What we call that key name. Job underscore time. Okay, and here I will put that entire thing here. Okay, I will call this job underscore time key. So how to call means we have to call this API and we have to take this connection parameters from common API also. So earlier we have written like this. Now it is better to put comment this one and pass any name here. Name should be same and you can put comment. Here you can write one function name, function MySQL connection. And here you can just pass this same name. Okay, so this function to be exported so that wherever I want I can use. So here that function you can call that MySQL connection. Okay, and this one no need. Now you can write the logic. That means async function get connection details of await Axios dot post and HTTP localhost 4000 and what will be that method name? You just take copy and paste it. Don't type. Okay, use copy and paste it. And then async result. Here await. Before that, it is better to put all these parameters in one variable. Connection details equal to result dot data dot config data. Okay. And now await, I want to connect first MySQL connection. In this connection details dot, so what will be the key name for MySQL? This is the key name, MySQL connection. Okay, and so here this function name and this one both are same. No problem occurs, but better to change that function names in order to avoid the confusion. Await Mongo connection of connection details dot MongoDB connection. So MongoDB connection. Next, here declare one variable job timestamp. So this variable is used to store this value. Okay, and job underscore timestamp equal to connection details dot this is the job underscore time. Okay, now so this is the this function contains all the logic. Okay, this function it is called in this scheduler. Okay, so here I want to put all this logic into one function job schedule of param okay, so here param and Yeah, that's it. So here I am calling this function. So job schedule of, so here I want to pass this variable. Okay, and if you want to find, you can find by what we are getting in that variable. You can find by using console.log. Okay, and it is better, it is mandatory to call this function. Okay, and here first of all we need to call common API, and then we need to call scheduler. See, exactly we are getting. Okay, and see, no response from MySQL get procedure. See, for every 5 seconds we are calling this main logic function. Okay, so if you want to change the specific time is, you can change. So by using this one, which we have discussed on earlier. So if you want to put some particular timestamp, you can put it. Okay. So here, go to the MySQL, and here there is no data available here. See, okay. So now I am going to insert one record. Observe carefully here, very important. I am going to insert one record into the MySQL. See, now MongoDB status is 1 whenever one record has been inserted. See, again it becomes 2. That means that particular record has been moved to MongoDB. Refresh it, job underscore emp is there. See, that particular record has been moved. Okay, so if you want to check with another record, you can check it. See, 1. Okay, if you execute it, it becomes 2. So you can execute in MongoDB. See, okay, so like that we can have DB connection parameters in common API. From that common API, we can take that all connection related parameters, and timestamp also we can take it. Okay, so and we can use that DB connection parameters along with the timestamp in scheduler itself. Okay, so we can execute the script. That's it. See, every 5 seconds that function will be executed. In real time, we used to write like this only. We don't put each and every connection details in each and every microservice. Okay, we will put all the configuration details, confidential details, server related credentials in common API. We will call that API method in common API. This is the API method. Okay, by using this method, we can fetch all the details and we can use wherever we want. Okay, so that's it.